Hey guys, this is Maria from TreeWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use a happy birthday template on TikTok. If you want to wish someone a happy birthday, then keep in mind that using a particular TikTok photo template, you can do it in a creative and easy way. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use this template. Log into TikTok. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. After that, press on the Templates option, and you will see different photo templates that you can use while creating a video on TikTok. Find and choose the one that is called Happy Birthday. Now hit the Select Photos button and choose pictures you would like to share. Tap the OK button. If you want, you can edit your video. Once your happy birthday video is ready, simply click on the Next button and post the video on TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use a happy birthday template on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TreeWaySocial.com.